Hey, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Mina Bay. This is going to be the Harlow full leather in black and gold. The dimensions are 13 by 14.5 by 7. It weighs approximately 2.6 pounds. It's a little bit on the heavier side, especially being that it's full leather. It is quite thick for my liking, so at this point in time I wasn't really into it. I really wanted to like it, but I'm thinking I'm going to be going off with the vegan leather instead, because it's much lighter than your full leather. So if you don't mind the thickness of the leather with the full leather instead of the vegan leather, then this may be for you. It's a little bit too like boxy for me, and I feel like it loses the vision that they had for the Harlow, which was like more of a slouchy type, right? So like this magnet here, it kind of closes things, but it's only if it's like sitting down, and you'll see what I'm talking about later when I try it on, because it doesn't really stay closed. It sits upright. It doesn't have feet, and I wish it did have feet. And I really also was hoping that they would end up having this in like, I don't know, like a thinner full version, full vegan leather, or full leather. But again, the leather's a little bit too thick for my liking. And it adds on to the weight and everything. So it's a beautiful bag. It keeps my 16-inch laptop, but you might want to have a sleeve for it because it doesn't have any pads, so I could get dinged up. I wanted something I could take back to work, and sure enough, I am like taking my bags back to work, but I just haven't, at this point found the bag. And so I'm here doing this review, trying to figure out which one I'm going to keep. And it seems as if I'm going to go ahead and return this one because it won't suit the needs that I need. This is the bag filled up with the things I usually take to work, minus the water bottle, a changing pad, and then a couple diapers for my two littles. And so here's a breast pump as well. And it's great. It just isn't it for me. It's a little bit too structured. But it is nice, and it's a gorgeous thing to see. So here we go with the full vegan leather for the Sienna. These are 16.5 by 13 by 6. So it's still a good size bag, so that it can fit my 16-inch laptop comfortably, as well as like the 13-inch with my folder, with the breast pump. I like that it has feet, although I don't know if the feet are like thick enough for it to like really, prevent anything from actually touching the bottom of the bag, but it's not a huge deal. Again, here's your 9-pocket system. Here's the gold hardware on the strap. So this is your shoulder strap. That's not adjustable, but it's a great length. And as you can see here, I'm just packing it. Again, this bag you definitely would need a little sleeve for it, because it will kind of like ding a little bit more. You want to protect your innards, if you may. So here's your whole setup. I usually have like an extra couple diapers for when the littles visit me at work, and this is it on. So this is a Harlow that's full size. Again, it doesn't really stay closed, and even though it's structured, I think it's going to bug me if I don't get to have my bag closed, and so that's why I've decided not to go with this, although I really wish that they had a zippered version of this. And here is the Sienna. I'm going to go ahead and keep the Sienna because it is lightweight. I like the structure of it as well as the look.